Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today update is coming from the University of Tokyo Graduate School of Frontier Sciences. So before starting, please like and subscribe our channel and share to your friends as much as possible. So here is the University of Tokyo Summer Internship Program initiated by the Graduate School of Frontier Sciences in 2013 provides a hand-on research internship program in the departments of biology, chemistry, environmental studies, information technology, international studies, material sciences, advanced energy, ocean science, physics, and sustainability science studies. So here is the schedule of this program. It will start from June 6 to July 16, 2021. The first week will consist of the orientation, lectures by the leading researchers, and the remaining weeks participants will study under the guidance of the respective laboratories after developing a research proposal and will gain first-hand experience in the academic research process. And on the final day, participants will make a presentation summarizing their research experience and the findings of the research project, followed by the certificate of the completion award ceremony. So here's the participation fee, and it is the Japanese yen 50,000. This fees must be paid on the first day of the summer internship program, but this fees may be waived. The request for the fee waiver will automatically be recorded when you submit your application. The results regarding your application and the fee waiver will be sent to you at the same time. So here are the host laboratories. The research departments are as follows: the Advanced Material Science, Advanced Energy, Complexity Science and Engineering, Integrated Biosciences, Computational Biology and Medical Science, Ocean Technology, Policy and Environment, Environment Systems, International Studies, Graduate Program in Sustainability Science. So approximately 20 students are totally selected. Here is the eligibility. Participants must end their undergraduate program at an overseas college or university throughout the entire duration of the summer internship program. Participants who are considering the matriculating to graduate level study at the Graduate School of Frontier Sciences or other graduate school at the University of Tokyo or elsewhere in Japan. Participants are required to participate in all the activities including the class, laboratory works and special events organized by the University of Tokyo Summer Internship Program. So here is the how to apply. Step 1, choose a professor or the laboratory to work in from the host laboratory list. Step 2, apply through the University of Tokyo Summer Internship Program online application system. So here is the link. Link will be provided in the description box of the host laboratories and the online application system. The application deadline is on the 1st February 2021. So apply as early as possible. Requirement application materials are as follows: cover letter, which will answer the following two questions within 500 to 800 words. First question is, why did you choose the laboratory that you did? And what do you hope to acquire from the University of Tokyo Summer Internship Program experience? Question 2, describe how qualified you believe you are to conduct the research project in the laboratory you have chosen. Explain how you believe your experience and skills will enable you to successfully carry out the project. Second is the curriculum vitae. Third is the copy of transcript. Fourth is the recommendation letter. Fifth is the certificate of registration, which can also be regarded as the bona fide certificate. Sixth is the certificate of English proficiency. It is optional. Seventh is the copy of your passport and the picture in digital data. The application deadline is 1st February 2021 and results will be announced between March 1 and March 4, 2021. All the participants will receive email notification of the results of the assessment as well as the result of the participation fee. Financial aid is also given